What if you could move 50 million records from one database to another, completely, accurately, and with zero custom code, in just about 6 minutes? That's not a benchmark. That's DBSync Cloud Replication running right now, live, in this demo. For enterprise data teams dealing with multi-terabyte environments, compliance-driven migrations, or real-time analytics pipelines, speed and reliability at this scale isn't a nice-to-have. It's the difference between a business that runs on fresh data and one that doesn't. Today, we're going to show you exactly how DBSync delivers that. Here's our source: a PostgreSQL database hosted on AWS RDS. DBSync connects with a standard JDBC URL, and configuring it takes under a minute. Let's save the database settings and validate the connection. And the target is MySQL, a completely different database engine. DBSync handles cross-database replication natively, so no transformation scripts are required. Our source and target databases are now ready. As our next step, let's configure our objects. For this demo, let's select one table which has 50 million records, and also a few fields: amount, created at, ID, and name. DBSync auto-discovers the schema. Choose which fields to replicate, set filter criteria if needed, and you're done. To run the sync, 3 run modes are available: update schema, clean copy, and source to DB incremental. For our large dataset demo, we're using clean copy, a full, verified replication of every single record. The sync kicks off immediately. The logs view auto-refreshes in real time, so you always know exactly where you are. Already a quarter of the way through. Notice the throughput: millions of rows per minute, with no DBA intervention required. DBSync's proprietary parallel processing worker manager under the hood. No bottlenecks, no throttling. And there it is, 50 million records, fully replicated, 0 errors, in 6 minutes and 8 seconds. 50 million out of 50 million records completed. This is what production-grade data replication looks like at enterprise scale. No scripts, no middleware, no overnight batch windows. Just a configured profile, a single click to run, and your data is where it needs to be. The results speak for themselves. Customers like Barracuda Networks see real ROI: 70% reduction in manual data entry, 40% improvement in accuracy, over 50% productivity boost, and 25% of developer time reclaimed annually. Ready to see it yourself? Try the playground. No download required. Book a personalized demo with a DBSync expert, or visit the docs.mydbsync.com for full setup guides and CDC configuration. Thanks for watching. We look forward to simplifying your database replication.